because this is very popular, that the Igbo man is prostitutional in his political activity. And forgive that narrative. But if you look at historically, the Igbo man will likely take whatever and just forget and just say, look, give me and let me move forward. And like our brothers in the north who will, whom a lot of people think that they come together a lot. They organize better. In fact, better than the Southwesterner. There are a lot of people believe that Yorubas are a bit more organized politically speaking. Although there are also issues. A Yoruba president will be more criticized by the Yoruba man. But you have a tendency that a northern president will have a quieter reign when he's in office because his fellow northerners will. But that you will see a lot, the Igbo man will be attacked, pulled down by his fellow Igbo people. That oneness politically is not there. And that is the reason why today we have not been able to have unison, singing from the same hymn book, from the Igbo people to have a common front. Do you see that problem? Is that narrative, is it right politically? Is it what is going on? Do you think those who have portrayed that narrative, is it really what is happening? Do you see that playing out?
No, I see it completely differently. I don't see Igbos as disunited at all. I think it's about our heritages, our political heritages. The Igbo political heritage is a republican one. We've never been a monarchical system. We've always been a republican system where people compete and contest. Till today, in my Umunna meeting in the village, it doesn't matter how much older you are than me. If you say something that is, I can get up in the meeting and say, Dede, you're not right. That's our culture. And it has its strengths. Everything has its strengths and its weaknesses. It's also why Igbo society is so vibrant, it's so entrepreneurial, it's so resilient. It's why we survived the war, rebounded from the war, because we are like that.
And why you are found in Taiwan, in China, in India, in
so you can't
you jump on the plane to China. 90% of the people you find there are Igbo people.
What powers Igbo culture is not prostitutional. It is creativity, it's innovation. It is also what powers Pathfinder.
So it's been described negatively.
It's been,
but it has its
positive, and even everybody, whatever your strength is, it has his weak side. And because of this Igbo culture, it is also why when eventually a leader emerges out of the Igbo people, that person is exceptional. Because the person had to really, really win everybody's respect to get there. So when Igbo people produce a leader or a frontliner, that person is always exceptional because of the rigor. Before you can convince Igbo people to listen to you, you must be talking sense. So that's the strength of that culture. Other cultures have their strengths. The northern culture is fairly monarchical. So you have that ease of mass mobilization. Yoruba culture, you also have a large monarchical section. But you also have a republican culture. So you have that mix in the Southwest. So it's about your political heritage and understanding the strengths it gives you and the weaknesses it gives you as well. But there's nothing wrong with Igbo culture at all.